discussing about the parts, right? What are all these parts? You remember?
Yes.
Yes. So what are all the parts we can see in this picture? So we have 6 parts here, and first one is monitor. Monitor. Second one is speaker. Third one is tablet.
Mouse.
Actually, yesterday we wrote this, right? Tablet or what is that? iPad. iPad.
iPad and tab. Teacher, can I write it now? Because I was not there yesterday.
Yes. And keyboard. The next one is mouse. The last one is smartphone, right? Smartphone or phone, mobile, whatever it is, you can mention that. Clear? So I hope no one have any doubts in this parts, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
No doubt.
Next is we have done the answer for the first question, right? Can you name all the hardware devices in this picture? So we are done with the answers for these questions. The next question is, what is hardware? What is hardware? So what is a hardware? What is a hardware?
Hardware is a parts. Parts of
hardware is part. Any other definition of a hardware? So we were discussing in the yesterday's class, right? Hardware means a physical device. Hardware means a physical device, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes or no? Hardware is a physical device that you can touch. Okay, hardware is a physical device that you can touch. Clear? So they are asking what is hardware. They are asking about what is hardware. So the answer for that question is hardware is a physical.
What is this page number?
29.
And software is a
So here the question is what is hardware? Okay, here the question is what is hardware? So you can write answer for only hardware. Okay, only definition of hardware. Understood?
Yes, understood. Yes. Monitor, speaker, that one.
You want to write that too. Already that student has completed in the yesterday's class itself. So if you want, you can write it, Ryan. Okay. Or if you know the parts means you can write it later. If you know the parts name means you don't want to write now itself. Okay. If you know, you can write it on your own. No. So you can write it. But mention the page number. Okay. Mention the page number. That is important here. Next, you can write what is hardware. Can you see the answer? Can you see a second question here? What is hardware?
Yes.
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 Yes. Write the definition of hardware. Okay. Write the definition of hardware.
Teacher, what do I have to do?
See, the definition of hardware is written here. I hope you can see that here, right? So write it in your notebook. Take your notebook and write the definition of hardware. Okay. Clear? Already you have done with the first question. You remember? Everyone done with the first question, right?
Yes.
Yes, yesterday itself you were writing the parts of the computer in your notebook. Yes. And we have corrected only the numbers, right? Yes. Now you can write the answer for the second question.
Teacher, do I write the question or I only give the answer?
So you can write only the answer, okay? You can write only the answer. If you are writing only the answer means mention the page number, okay? Mention the page number is 29. Got it? Mention the page number is 29.
Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Aisha.
Good afternoon, Aisha. Yeah, can you wait?
So done?
Yeah. What to do? What to do?
So you can see the definition of hardware here. So you can write the definition.
Yeah.
Can?
Ma'am, can I take a screenshot of this because I am late?
Now only now only the students have started writing. So you can write it, Aisha. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Teacher, I'm done writing.
Done with both the questions?
Yes.
Okay. Done with both the questions? Okay.
I'm only done with what is
Okay, then it's fine. If you know the parts, okay, if you know the part names means you can proceed with that, okay? Okay, Rayan?
Can you make the screen a little smaller?
Why?
I cannot see clearly.
So if I make it smaller means you cannot see, even still you cannot see clearly, right? You're asking me to make the screen bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Then how come, if I make it smaller means no one cannot see the text, okay?
Okay. I'm going to
Yes,
zoom
because
it.
already I didn't make it zoom, okay? It's normal only. So if I make it still small means no one can see the text, that's why.
Ma'am, can you zoom it? Ma'am, can you zoom it? Yes. Yes, ma'am. হ্যাঁ আমার এখনো ঠিক আছে I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done writing.
Completed?
Yes, I'm done. I'm done writing.
Okay. So we have the next question, right? Can you see? List other 3 examples of hardware that are not shown in the picture. So here in the picture, we can see 6 hardware devices, right? 6 hardware devices. They are asking you to name some other devices which is not in the picture. So can you name some other hardware devices which you know about it, which you know? Some other hardware devices. You should not tell the same monitor, speaker.
CPU.
What is the
CPU.
CPU? Okay, okay. One is CPU. Anything else?
CPU. UPS. TV. UPS. Smart TV.
UPS. Okay.
TV.
Then smart TV. Then
Smart button. Smart bulb. Smart bulb. PC camera.
see, you think about the parts. The parts that means some parts you can connect it to the computer. We have printer and scanner also, right? You remember printer,
Button.
scanner.
E-reader. E-reader. E-reader.
Yes, so you have lot of things here, okay? You have lot of things here. I have just listed few, okay? I have listed only few. If you have anything, if you have any other parts to write, you can mention that, okay? 1 minute.
Teacher, I will write e-reader.
Yes, that's fine. So you need to write 3, okay? You need to write 3 other hardware devices, okay? You need to write 3 other hardware devices. Clear?
Teacher, I am done. Teacher, I'm done.
Done?
Yes. Yes, done. I'm done.
Okay.
Teacher, can you do like this?
Yes, what, Ryan?
Can you do like this?
Which one?
Like that. Like I'm doing in my eyes.
Rotating your eyes?
Yes.
Yes, you can ask your friends to do that.
Can anyone? Rachel, promise. Let me try. It's not Rachel, it's Rayan. Oh yes, yes. Sorry. Show me. If you should see it where you shouldn't. If you want to see up, you should straight. You shouldn't do it up like this your head, but you should see with your only eyes. Yeah, like that.
Okay, anyone is writing still?
Yes, like that. No.
Everyone completed?
Yes. Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Look. Yes. Like this, now.
So here I have done the same thing, okay? Here I have done the same thing. I have mentioned the page number is 29 and written the first question, okay? The answer for the first question. 1 minute, 1 minute. Here you can see answer for the first question and the answer for the second and third question. Can you see? What is hardware and other three hardware devices, right? Same thing. Same thing, whatever we have written here. See, 1 minute, let me explain. 1 minute, let me explain. Okay, you should not have any confusions, right? You should not have any confusions. If I show them to you again, if I'm showing this to you, you will get confused.
Teacher, there's some background noise.
Yes, others please mute. You know that if you are not telling anything here, you should mute yourself, right? Yes. So whatever I have written here, same thing is written in the notes. Okay?
Teacher.
Understood?
Teacher.
Same thing.
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher.
Yes, Kayan?
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
We're not doing the Scratch program anymore.
No, the first chapter is about Scratch program. Okay. In the second chapter, we will not going to learn about any Scratch. So you will be learning about devices, parts of the hardware devices and software devices. Okay. You will be learning about hardware and software devices in detail. Okay.
Okay.
Again, if you move to fourth chapter, I think so. I think in fourth chapter, again, we will learn about Scratch.
Okay.
Got it? Yes. Okay, everyone completed? Everyone completed writing?
Yes.
Don't get confused. Both are same, okay?
Yes.
Whatever I have written here, same thing is written in this notes section, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay, I think we didn't write for this one, right? What is software and this one, right? So for what is software? Software. So yesterday I told you apps, right? Yesterday I told you like software means apps. Yes or no? Yes.
Software is YouTube.
So other definition, okay? Other definition of software is a set of, so you can mention page number 28 and write this, okay? You can mention page number 28 and write this. Software is a set of instructions. So software is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. Okay. So this is the definition of software. Okay. This is the definition of software. So if I want, I will put that here itself. Okay. See here, I will mention it as page number 28. Page number 28. And the first question is, what is software, right?
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Can I drink some water?
Yes, you can.
Teacher, how do you write it in a fraction? Drink some water.
Yes, come again. I didn't get you, Ryan.
How do you write it in a fraction of second?
No, I just copied from there and I have pasted here.
Okay.
Already I have written that here, right? Already I have typed here. Just I have copied from here and pasted here. Okay. So this is the definition of software. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes. And the other point is
Yeah.
software is also known as coding or apps. Okay, apps. Understood?
Understood. Mama need to write it.
Yes.
Okay. In the textbook.
If you have textbook means you can directly write there. Okay. If you have textbook means you can directly write in the textbook. If you don't have textbook means write it in a notebook. Okay.
Mama have my textbook.
Then you can write it in textbook itself. That's what I told you, right? If you have textbook means you can write the answers there itself. If you have space.
How to write in a textbook, ma'am?
That's what I told you. If you have space, you can write it. If you find space for writing the answer means write there.
Ma'am, thank you. Page number.
It's 28.
Okay. I have one empty page in my textbook. Can I write here?
No, you should write in page number 28 only, okay? Don't go
This
for
is
any other page.
28. This is page number 28. This is empty page. Can I write here?
Yes, if it is page number 28 means you can go for there, okay? You can write there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So while learning, you should not get confused, okay? That is why I'm asking you to write it in page number, same page number, okay?
Can you God save us when I swear.
Computer. What?
You're not holding it.
So.
That tells after
Is on
who. So where is
where on computers
coding or
says
Yeah, I am done.
Done, teacher.
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done.
Yes, what about others? Everyone completed?
I'm done. Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello.
I'm marking the instructions, so I'm underlining.
This is also
So, see.
Teacher.
coding.
Alright. Oh. And
You can see, teacher.
Yes, tell me.
This one here done writing.
Done with writing? Okay, Kaya.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm done. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So the next question is, can a computer still work without software? The next question is, can a computer still work without software?
No. No.
The answer is no. Okay, you just mention only the answer is no. Okay. Okay, the answer is no for this question.
Teacher, this is also question number 1.
Wait. This is question number 2. No, the hardware requires software to run. Okay. Okay, the answer is no, the hardware requires software to run.
Ma'am, change the color. Ma'am,
So the
little
red
bit.
color is the question. Okay, red color is the question. So if you want, you can write the question or you can mention page number alone. Okay.
Ma'am, can I write only the answer?
Yes, if you are writing in the notebook means you can write in the textbook means you can write only the answer. Okay.
Okay, I will write the answer because I'm writing a textbook. Ma'am,
Okay.
can you zoom it? Can you zoom it?
God.
Teacher, I'm done.
That's almost good.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh. I just can't be. I just can't be.
Done. Done, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, why have you written in the question like can I
Okay, I mentioned I also. Sorry. Right. By mistake, I forgot. Can
Done,
computer
teacher.
still work without software? This is the right one. Okay.
Ma'am, it's
Okay, Hayan. Okay, Mariam.
okay.
Done, teacher.
Okay, Kayan. While writing the answer for each and every question, give a space in between. Okay. You just leave one line after the first question, then you can write the second question. Okay. So it will be in a readable format. It will be in a readable format. Okay.
Then ma'am.
Done?
Yes, then ma'am.
Okay.
Can I show it to you?
Yes, you can. Okay, Aisha. Okay, shall we move to the next one?
Thank you, ma'am. No, I'm in the software. I'm in the software to run. Ma'am, I am done.
Peter?
Teacher, I am done. Can I show you?
Yes, you can.
Teacher, I am done.
Now I will just.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, Rayan. Yes, Iman, you can show me. Yes, you can. Okay, Rayan. Okay, Iman. Yes, that's all. Everyone completed writing?
Yes. Yes.
No. Take a screenshot and we.
Yes, Amir?
Should we go to the next one and ask Diana who's ever writing do screenshot?
So we have time, okay?
We have time. It's not much or no, less than 15, only 15 minutes left of class.
So, Christiana?
Yes,
Completed,
teacher.
Christiana?
Yes.
Okay. And who else still writing? I hope everyone completed, right?
Yes.
Bye, Rayan, Cairo, Avia Bianca, cameras off. I cannot see you people.
Yes, done. I'm done.
Okay. Okay, we'll move to next one. Okay. A working system. A working.
I'm not done writing.
So you need to tell me that, right? Yes, make it fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Make it fast, okay?
Okay. Ma'am, can I go and drink some water?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I go with water. Writing.
I didn't get you. Yes,
Can
Maria.
I drink water?
Yes,
Can
you
I
can.
drink
Yes,
water?
you can. Yes, yes. Yes, you can.
Ma'am, can I go to the washroom?
Yes, you can, Aisha.
Thank you.
Can I go to washroom?
Yes.
Please, fan. Explain the fan, but no words.
Rachel completed?
No,
Rachel?
no, ma'am. I'm not done.
Make it fast, Rachel.
Okay.
No. What the wings? This plane has no wings.
A R E. R
Teacher, you like vegetables?
S.
Ma'am, should you think we should go to next?
So, Rachel,
Go to
in which point you are, Rachel?
I'm in the last point.
So you have only 2 points here. You are in which point?
The black one.
So make it fast. I was showing the same thing for a long time, but you are writing it still.
Yes,
Others are also waiting for you, Rachel. And one more thing, if you are writing in the book means you don't want to write the question also, okay? You don't want to write the question. Because in the book itself you have the question. You can write the answer near to that.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done. Okay.
There's only 10 minutes left for class. That was a big
Yes,
waste
Amar,
of
what do you
time.
want? Yes, Amar, what do you want?
It's very long, Ryan. There's only 10 minutes left.
So we have 10 minutes time, okay? Don't tell that, keep repeatedly, okay?
This is science.
I told you many times.
This is computer science.
Mom,
Yes. Yes.
Right, right.
Mom, say this word.
Okay. The next is. Yes, Aisha.
You have to write small.
Always, Amar, say this word. When will the class finish? When will the class finish?
Okay, Aisha, please listen here, okay? So the next is about a working system. Working system. We learned about hardware and software, right? We learned about what is hardware and what is software, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? Here,
Yes.
hardware is also important and software is also important because both are interrelated. Yes, hardware and software must work together for a computer to function. So can you see a CPU here? Can you see a CPU here? Yes. So you need to press this button to switch on the computer. You need to press this button to switch on the computer. When you press this button, there will be some software, okay? There will be some program inside that CPU. That program will run, okay? That program will run. Then only the computer will switch on. Then only the monitor will switch on, okay? If you don't have that program means our computer will not work. I told you, right? Even if it is a laptop or a mobile or a computer or a tablet, whatever is your electronic device, you have some program in that, okay? You will be having some program in any computing device, okay?
Teacher,
Whatever computing device we have.
When we are buying a new phone, a new tablet, there is already some apps and things.
Yes. Yes, we have some apps, right? Even if the apps are not available, the system will work. What is that? Your tablet will work, right? Yes, there will be some default apps. Yes or no? For example, if you take a mobile phone, means there will be a, for example, now and all we are getting YouTube. Now and all we are getting that YouTube application by default, right? If you don't have YouTube, your mobile will work. Whether YouTube is a necessary application for mobile to work? No. If you don't have, if you uninstall your YouTube from your mobile, whether your mobile will stop working?
No.
You understood my question? You understood my question?
I understood your question. If the any device don't have any one app, it will not work.
No. We have some apps that are necessary, okay? That are very mandatory for a mobile device. Not like a mobile device, for the computing device, okay?
Yes.
The computing device means it can be computer, laptop, mobile phone, whatever it is. We have some set of apps, okay? We have some set of software that are mandatory software for a computing device to work, okay? Even some applications are optional. Some applications are optional. If you want, you can install. If you don't want, you can uninstall that, okay? But few applications or software, if you uninstall that, your mobile will not work, okay? Your laptop, your computer will not work. So we need hardware. So one thing is, you might have heard about operating system. You might have heard about the word operating system. No? Okay. If you take laptop or computer, they will tell it as Windows. Have you heard the word Windows?
Yes.
Windows.
In Windows, there is window button also. There is window.
Yes.
In
So
that,
for laptop or computer,
there will be
Windows software. Okay.
Everything.
Yes. For laptop or computer, Windows software is a mandatory one. Okay. If you don't have the Windows software, your laptop or computer will never switch on. Got it? That is called OS. That is called OS. If you take a mobile, we will call that OS as Android. Have you heard the word Android? Android?
Teacher,
Android.
For you.
One minute. Mute yourself. 1 minute. Mute yourself. Yes. So you might have heard about the word Android. Okay. If you want to know which Android version you have, okay, we have versions for Android. Okay. We have lot of versions for Android. Even you can check it. If you go to settings, in your mobile phone, you can check what version you have. It will show you like Android. Okay. It will show you like Android with some number. If it is a mobile means mostly it will be Android. Okay. Mostly it will be Android. If it is Apple, you know Apple phone, right? Apple. iPhone.
Yeah.
iPhone, iMac, iPad.
Of course.
Yes. For that and all, we have Apple OS. Okay, that and all Apple OS. So if you take Apple phone or Apple, that means MacBook or iPad, you need Apple OS. Okay, if you don't have Apple OS, means that devices will not work. If you take a mobile for Android, if it is Android, if you don't have Android, that mobile will not work. Now you understood which software is very important here?
This important software will be already there when we are buying a new phone.
Yes, you cannot delete it. Okay, we cannot. What to say? You cannot install it. Okay, we cannot able to do anything in that. Okay, we cannot do anything than that. Even we cannot erase it. You cannot erase it. But we have some virus. You may heard about the word virus and all, right? Yes. Your mobile is very slow. Your computer is very slow because of virus. That virus will affect that. Okay. Malware. Yes. That malware will affect that device. Okay. That malware will affect the device. Got it? Which is, so now you understood what is a software and which is very important in the computing device?
Yes.
Others are optional, okay? Others are optional. If you want YouTube, you can have it. If you don't want, you can uninstall it. It is not a mandatory one. Still, your computer or laptop will work if you don't have YouTube. But if the Windows software is not available, means it will never work. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aisha.
My tummy is hurting.
What happened?
My tummy is hurting.
So you need to take rest, Aisha. So same like that. See, if it is a hardware, we have three devices in the hardware. One is input, output, and storage. So we have discussed the same thing in the summer classes, right? You remember input devices, output devices, and storage devices?
Yes, we have discussed in year 2.
Year 2 and also in summer classes. In summer classes, we have discussed about these. You remember?
No.
Okay.
I think I was
So-
not that time.
Okay. We will look into these things in detail in the next class. Okay. In the next class. Okay. So now you understand.